All right, so found the cheat code. She weighs about 200 pounds. I'm joking. I got her to stand on top of one end as we walked in the bead, and she just had her feet kind of like this right here, and then kept walking it this way and kept, hold on. And I just kept forcing the bead around, and now it's fully seated all the way around. Oh my God. You saved me. I'm waiting for you to come back. Go get the kids. My 600-pound life. My boys over here at MG in Robstown, they're gonna do it for me. See, this is a little mom and pop spot, but this dude's got a spot, I think, in the valley as well. But they're gonna be hooking it up with the wheels, getting them balanced. Typically what we do, start up at the edge of the wheel. Big old 345s. Time for the big meats to go on. I know it's gonna settle different whenever we get the car rolling. Look at that, nice, clean. We can drop it about a half an inch, 3/4 of an inch. That way we get it tucked. So when we put it in comfort mode and we launch, should have a little bit of room. Like I said, I still got about half an inch in the front that I could drop it. Oh yeah, looks hard. Damn, shit. Looks tough. But like I said, it'll probably settle. So what I'll do is I'll bring the car back and forth a little bit, see if it'll settle down. All right, so we got them swapped out all the way around. I'm just gonna move the car back and forth, let it settle. As you can see, everything's muddy. Drop it though. We do need to drop it about 3/4 of an inch in the front. Well, probably an inch in the front, 3/4 of an inch in the back. It should have looked tough.